Hello everyone. I hope you are all are fine. Okay. Now let's start our maths period. Okay, this is your math period. And in math period we are going to start numbers. Okay. In your previous classes you know about numbers. Numbers from 1 to 30. Okay. You write also and you say also na numbers from 1 to 30. How to write 1 to 30. How to say 1 to 30. So again we will start numbers from 1 to 30. So let's start. Okay. Take out your notebook, pencil and eraser and write with me. Okay. Repeat after me. Okay. I will start numbers from 1 to 30. Okay, numbers from 1 to 30. So, let's start. On your notebook, first we write here T stands for tens, O stands for ones. Okay, tens and ones. Okay, we will start from ones column. Okay. Look carefully. Look here. We will start one from ones column. Okay. So here we start. Here we write number 1. How to write number 1? We write standing line. Standing line. Okay. All of you write number 1. Okay. After number 1, which number will come? After number 1, number 2 will come. So here we write number 2. How to write number 2? You know, half curve and slipping line. Okay, done. Now after number 2, which number will come? So here we write number 3. We will say half curve and half curve. This is number 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, after number 3, which number will come? Okay, after 3, number 4 will come. So, how to write number 4? We will write slanting line, slipping line and standing line. Okay, this is number 4. Okay, now tell me after number 4, which number will come? After number 4, number 5 will come. So, how to write number 5? Look here. We will write slipping line, standing line and half curve. This is number 5. Okay. So, you complete it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After number 5, which number will come? Tell me fast, fast. You say after number 5, number 6 will come. So how to write number 6, ma'am? You tell me now how to write number 6. Look here, okay? You make half curve and circle. So this is number 6. Okay? Now after 6, which number will come? Number 7. So number 7, how to write number 7? We will write slipping line and slanting line. Done? Okay. After number 7, number 8 will come. So here we write number 8. How to write number 8? Half curve and join the curve. This is number 8. Okay. Okay, now after 8, after number 8, which number will come? After 8, number 9 will come. So, how to write number 9? We will write standing line and half curve. Okay? Standing line and half curve. This is number 9. Now, after number 9, which number will come? After 9, number 10 will come. And how to write number 10? 1, 0, 10. So, in tens column, we will write 1. In ones column, we will write 0. So, this is number 1, 0, 10. Okay. Done? numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, now after 10, which number will come? We will start next line. Okay, drop one line on your notebook, and again we start. Again we write tens, ones. Okay, T-O. Done. Now after 10, number 11 will come. So we will write 1, 1, 11. Here we write 1, 1. 1, 1, 11. Okay. Okay. Now after 11, which number will come? 1 to 12. So here we write 1, 2. You know how to write 1 and how to write 2. So we write 1 to 12. Say and write. Okay, repeat after me and write also. So you say 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. After 12, which number will come? 1, 3, 13. Okay. After 12, 13 will come. Okay. 13. After 13, 14 will come. 1, 4, 14. Okay. After 13, 14 will come. Okay. Now, after 14, which number will come? 1, 5, 15. Okay. After 14, 15 will come. Okay. After 15, which number will come? We will say 1, 6, 16. Okay. After 15, 16 will come. Okay. After 16, which number will come? We write here 1, 7, 17. Okay. After 16, 17 will come. Okay. Now, after 17, which number will come? So here we write 1, 8, 18. Yes. 17, 18. Okay. After 18, which number will come? So you write here 1, 9, 19. Yes. 18, 19. After 19, which number will come? Yes. So here we write 2, 0, 20. Now the number is 2, 0, 20. Okay. Now we will start next line. Drop one line and again we write T and O. Okay. After 20, which number will come? Tell me. After 20, 21 will come. So, in next line, we will start from 2, 1, 21. Okay. After 20, 21 will come. Now, after 21, after 1, number 2 will come. And this is a series of 2. So, here we write 2. 2, 2, 22. Okay. So, you write here 1, 2. Okay, now after number 2, which number will come? Here we write 3 and series of 2 na. So here we write also 2. 2, 1, 21, 2, 2, 22, 2, 3, 23. Okay. Now after 23, which number will come? After 23, 24 will come. Okay. All of you write with me. Okay, very good. Okay, now 24. After 24, 25 will come. Now 25 after number 26. So here we write 2, 6, 26. After 26, we will write 2, 7, 27. All of you write 2, 7, 27. Now after 27, we will write 2, 8, 28. Done? Good. Okay, now after 28, we will write 2, 9, 29. And after 29, 30 will come. So here we write 3, 0, 30. This is the numbers from 1 to 30. Okay, all of you write your notebook. You take screenshot also of this. Okay, now finish your work. Okay. Now we will, you know about counting. Okay, counting 1 to 30 na. So now we will start new topic, count and write. So look at the board. Look at the board. The heading is count and write. Count and write. Okay. Take out your notebook. Okay. Take out new page and write down the heading count and write. Okay. Example number 1. I make here apple. Okay. Now tell me, how many apples are there? Tell me, how many apples are there? You write here. The number you write here. How many apples? Count it. Only 1. So you count 1. Only 1. So write here 1. How to write number 1? Standing line. Okay. First is done. Now move to second example. Number 2. Okay, now tell me, how many pens are there? How many pens? Count fast. Look at the board. Count it. 1, 2. So which number will come here? 1, 2. Number 2. How to write number 2? Half curve and slipping line. Okay. So how many pens are there? There are 2 pens. You tell there are 2 pens. Here how many apples are there? So there are only 1 apple, ma'am. Yes. 1, 2. Now example number 3. Okay, write with me and repeat after me also. Okay, now third example. Look at the board. Okay, now tell me, how many kites are there? Count and write. Okay. So how many kites are there? Count it. Count with ma'am. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So you tell me, ma'am, there are 3 kites are there. So here we write number 3. How many kites are there? 3 kites are there. 1, 2, 3. Count and write. Okay. Now example number 4. Example number 4 is, tell me, how many mangoes are there? Count and write. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. How many mangoes are there? 4. So here we write number 4. Okay. Okay, last example. Example number 5. Okay, example number 5. Okay, how many balls are there? Count and write. Okay. How many balls are there? Count it. Count with me. Finger on your notebook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many balls are there? 5 balls. So here we write number 5. Okay. So there are 5 balls. You tell me, ma'am, there are 5 balls are there. So here we write number 5. Okay, now let's check your answers. Okay. The question is count and write. You write on your notebook heading, right? Count and write. Okay, full stop. Write number 1. Make apple and count it. Only 1 apple. So here we write number 1. Example number 2. How many pens? 1, 2. So here we write number 2. Question number 3. How many kites? 1, 2, 3. So here we write number 3. Okay, let's check only. Number 4. How many mangoes? 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we write number 4. Question number 5. How many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 balls. So here we write number 5. So done your work. The question is count and write. Okay, write on your notebook. Okay. So first question is numbers from 1 to 30. This is your revision part. Okay. So in revision you write numbers from 1 to 30. Okay. You write again and again because of so many times you practice it. Numbers from 1 to 30 and write also. Okay. Repeat also and write also. So the revision is numbers from 1 to 30 write on your notebook and this portion write on your notebook. Okay. So this is the revision part and this is the new topic. Count and write. Now we will do only 5 numbers. Okay. In your next lecture we will start so many things and count and write. So this lecture is over. I hope you are all fine. So bye bye. Have a nice day.